Good morning and welcome to Weekend Wastegate. It is currently just after 7 in the morning, and today, as you probably know, we're off to Silverstone. But first we've got to pick up James. James is here.
What's up, guys?
We're currently on some dual carriageway somewhere outside of Salisbury, and we
Ashton-on-Thames, England.
It's raining outside, and we're in the back of the Volvo. We have about another hour and a half, 2 hours to go.
Yeah.
So
Decent.
should be fun.
I haven't seen anything good yet, though.
No good cars. We've been going for about an hour and a half now, and that means we have about an hour left. So, just said we had an hour left, but it looks as if there's been an accident or something, as it is now snowing, and we are stuck in this traffic.
That's straight piped, isn't it?
Good news is we are behind what looks like a straight piped BMW, which
Yes, exactly, straight pipe.
So we're now clear of the traffic. There's a big accident, but only delayed us a few minutes, and we're back on track nice and
A few.
should be there in plenty of time.
Yeah.
So James and I have arrived. As you can hear, we are right by the pit straight, and about to go see some racing. Mad sounds already. Let's go and have a look at this. Going in circles a bit, but so we are now walking towards the inside of the track. We've just gone over a bridge, over the old track, not the new one. And we've just seen some GT cars doing qualifying. Not sure who it was, but it seemed that one of them was 9/10 quicker than everyone else, or something stupid like that. I think it may have been Aston. Something is starting up again, so we're going to go and find trackside to watch. So right now there is some sort of Le Mans protocol action, and not sure which class it is. I think it might be an FP3, and so let's go have a look. Pretty loud. You might not hear me on the video, I don't know. Here we go. Something more coming around the corner. Yeah, so they go in, so they come off the pit straight, they go that way and then they go in and then round. Like that.
So we need to get on the camera again.
LMP3. So James and I were just going through the car park behind the paddock, and we happened to find a few very, very nice cars just parked casually. So first of all, we've got this very nice 911 Turbo S. Very nice, but there's two much nicer cars. Next one is this beautiful Ferrari F12. Beautiful spec. And then if you go a few cars down to where James is currently filming, we find a badass Ferrari 458 with massive wing that looks a little like this. So that's day one of our weekend at Silverstone.
Epic. Epic is the only way to describe
Some
it.
very good racing and big crashes.
Some ballsy moves.
Ballsy moves, yeah. It was very loud and
Good chicken burger.
yeah.
Well, overpriced. but good.
And we are now off to the hotel, and then we'll be back here in the morning for the main event.
Try and defrost over
So see you guys tomorrow. So it's Sunday morning and we are back at Silverstone.
Beautiful
Race
day for
day.
racing.
Lovely day.
And we got to get to the pits as quick as possible.
Yeah, because we have pit wall tickets. So.
Do you know how to get to the pits?
Yes, we have to go over the
That
bridge, and over another bridge, and then all the way around to the
Yeah,
inside.
have
It's
to go
really
around that.
complicated,
I
but
wouldn't expect to get the bus train.
I'm not sure. It might be one of the later stops. But,
Right, okay.
so yeah, we're gonna have to bust a gut in a minute. But it'll be pretty cool, and we will take you with us. Also, nice wash. So we are currently in the pit lane, and there is a lot of people. It's quite loud too. It's quite loud, and we are going to try and find some cool people to get autographs from. Hopefully, maybe some Mark Webber or something, or any of the former F1 drivers. And sorry. But first we've got to find where their garage is located. So let's go. Let's do this. So we're in the pit still. All of our drivers, but it's very busy and quite loud. So you probably can't hear us.
A lot of people milling about.
Yeah.
Cars are starting to warm up.
Engine's turning on, it's looking good. It's getting excited, guys. We're just going up the far end of the pit to see if there's any empty garages around it. But it's very, very busy. So, pit walking car over, and we are just making our way onto the track to get to the other side to a start. So we're actually on Silverstone. We're going on Silverstone. It's been a pretty good day so far, and the race is happening inside.
what's happening now. They're clearing the bridge and they're going
It's got that shit.
That's it over.
Brilliant weekend, huh?
Brilliant weekend. Audi
So
won.
many photos.
Audi won overall.
Corsa won the
Of course, won the GT Pro. I think the Porsche might have won the GTM, and who won the RGR one. We're now on our way out.
without being run over.
Yeah, they're facing a 3-hour car journey.
And then I've got a 8-hour train journey beyond that.
Oh, so yeah.
Yeah, I don't get back till like 5.
Okay.
I've got an overnight stop in Exeter.
And
Yeah. It's been awesome.
it has been awesome.
First weekend wastegate trip to a race.
Our first ever video.
Yeah.
We'll
More coming up.
many more coming. And we'll see you next time.